Hello, today I will guide you on how to fix PowerPoint not responding, starting, or opening on Windows 11. Step 1. Open Apps and Features from the Start menu. Click on the Start menu and type Apps and Features in the search bar. Click on the Apps and Features option from the search results. Step 2. Find and modify Microsoft Office. In the apps list, type Microsoft Office in the search bar. Click on the three-dot menu next to Microsoft Office. Select Modify from the drop-down list. Step 3. Run a quick repair. A window will appear with two repair options, Quick Repair and Online Repair. Choose Quick Repair, then click Repair. Wait for the repair process to complete. Once done, click Close and try opening PowerPoint. If the issue persists, proceed to the next step. Step 4. Run an online repair. Repeat Step 2 to access the Modify option again. This time select Online Repair, then click Repair. This process requires an internet connection and will take longer. Wait until the repair is finished, then click Close. Restart your computer and check if PowerPoint is working properly. If PowerPoint is now working properly, the issue is resolved. However, if the problem persists, try updating Windows, reinstalling Microsoft Office, or contacting Microsoft support for further assistance.